everybody. I'm back with another one. This one is the Black-Eyed Susan cocktail. Now, in the races, the horse races, the Preakness is known for the Black-Eyed Susan cocktail. Now, the Black-Eyed Susan is a state flower of the state of Maryland. And it's what they make the blanket, the flower blanket for the horses when they win the race, of course. The other one, the mint julep, I don't know where that race is from, Karen. Where's the mint julep from?
Don't know.
Don't know. It's from down in the other race. It's down in the other race. That big race. It's the big race. I forget the name of it because I got deja vu. Okay? Karen's laughing. She knows I got deja vu.
Uh-huh.
The Black-Eyed Susan. I like this cocktail. It sounds very good. It's going to take 2 ounces of orange juice. Of course, I have ice in my shaker already, like I always do. 2 ounces of orange juice. 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix. Why sweet and sour? I don't know. Some people make it with pineapple juice. That's why. 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix. 2 ounces of vodka. It's supposed to be 1.5 ounces, but it's never too much. It's never too much to put in 2 ounces. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Buffalo Trace bourbon because, why? Because I love it. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Now Karen's already got my glass all decorated with an umbrella because it's the Preakness, it might rain, and with the cherry because it's a cherry race. The horses race. They race out there. Now let's hope this doesn't get stuck like it did last time. And I'm just going to pour it right in, rocks and all. And here we go. Take off Karen's umbrella. Whoa!
Oh,
is that perfect? Or is that? I just can't get any better.
Yay.
I can't get any better than that. Well, I want to thank you all you guys for watching. As usual, this is Cocktail Tony. And don't forget to call your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.